Just going to take this loop, you're going to run it through the tag end of the bottom rig. You're going to bring it back over and send your hook through. And so I just tie these on with some mono or fluorocarbon. You can get them, they're called snells. You can get them pre-snelled. And all you do is you wet through it, and then you pull the line down and it just cinches right on there. And so these little separators are going to keep your dual baits separated, and then your leader is going to keep, you know, the bait separated from the wire section to give it more of a finesse approach. And this is a bottom rig for rocky areas, anything with, you know, maybe some coral, things like that, that you're going to get kind of trapped in. It's really popular on the, you know, northeastern, east coast in California, where they have those really rocky bottoms. So if that's you, you're going to get snagged all the time with that fish finder rig. It's going to be challenging if you can't find a soft sandy spot. This is a great option when you're trying to surf fish, but you know there's some obstructions in the way. This is just going to bounce along the bottom. You can change whatever pyramid sinker you want weight-wise here. And the worst thing that's going to happen is you're going to get caught here. Your weight's going to knock around a little bit, and you're just going to tug it free. And most of the time it comes on through. If not, you know, you're going to lose a weight, but you're not going to lose the fish. All right, so to cast, you know, we're using a bigger rod. We got a big butt here. What we're trying to do is get this bait out as far as you can without actually losing it, right? And that's challenging. We've got a 4-ounce sinker here, nice bit of cut bait and a thread fit here. We're going for snook. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get it launched as far as I can without losing the bait. We want to get a big arc motion. It's going to be over our shoulder,